Hi, welcome to Vera Beauty Fashion College. My name is Chawandia, conjoined with Eco Earth Warriors. So we did our cleanup. We did our cleanup in Makadara Market, where we were cleaning up the marketplace, giving back to the environment. And we cleaned up tukarokota takataka. We made sure the trenches, the drainages were clean. The area was conducive for business. And we also gave out our flyers to market our courses. And ideally, technically, what we are doing right here is we are offering our services in beauty, in hairdressing, and also talking about our courses. And also, we have an offer. Yes, not only will you give you the skill that you have paid for, but we'll also have an additional skill. We'll train you on how to make your chemical products. If you're doing hairdressing, we'll train you on how to make your shampoos, your conditioners, your treatments. If you're doing beauty therapy, we'll train you on how to make your disinfectants, massage oil, cleansers, and body splash. So feel free to join us. We'll teach you also how to make household detergents and household chemicals like Jik, disinfectants, Harpic, multi-purpose soap, anything that you need. So feel free to join us and hurry while the offer still lasts.